Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
Next weather meteorologist Dave Warren joining us now. Dave, some dust tomorrow, but some showers in the morning possibly.
Yeah, the showers try to work their way through. The dust keeps the lid on the showers here, but it's also the tropics that we continue to watch because we have new advisories that come in here from the National Hurricane Center. We're tracking the tropics here just today, 5 o'clock right there. Tropical depression number 2 form. We've been watching this area. It has been a development potential, and now that it's here, it will continue to just slowly work its way to the west-northwest, moving at about 8 miles an hour now. It may briefly try to intensify to a tropical storm. It'll be Barry briefly tomorrow. Then tropical storm conditions with very heavy rain moving into Mexico there on Monday. That is what we're watching in the Gulf, but not much else. Nothing else is expected to develop here across the Atlantic or the Caribbean over the next 7 days. Again, we already have Andrea, but Barry, with this, it would be that storm if it does intensify to a tropical system there tomorrow. So let's open up the window and show you what's happening out here right now. We have the dust out there. Things have been pretty quiet across the area. We did have activity on our radar, but it was mostly over the interior here with strong to even severe storms way up here over the interior. They tried to push some cooler air out across the area here. We did see temperatures drop just a bit, especially up to the north, but the rain showers itself stayed across the interior. That breeze coming in from the southeast, anything by the time it develops is just well over the interior here because we still have all of this across the area. The dust, not seeing a back edge of this trying to work its way through the area. So again, tomorrow, low rain chances. Maybe a few stray showers could work their way through the area in the morning. Then the afternoon storms, well, they're inland and over towards the Gulf Coast. Temperatures dropped into the upper 70s up to the north. Some cooler air coming out of those storms, but some areas may not even drop down below 80 here overnight tonight. The rain tracker showing the activity clearing out tonight. Now that breeze is coming in from the east tomorrow, so we get a few showers that do try to move through the area in the morning, and they push to the interior here in the afternoon. We'll keep the rain chances pretty low. They're only pushing into the area in the morning, but by the afternoon and evening, inland storms into the interior here. Maybe we'll try to pull a few showers. Maybe even a stray shower could work its way back in the area by 6 o'clock. But again, we'll put the highest rain chances in the morning. You get a break noon to about 3 in the afternoon. If you're out on the water tomorrow, the breeze is out of the east to southeast at about 5 to 10 knots in the Atlantic waters. In the Keys, it gets up to about 15 knots. So we'll put a moderate chop in those near shore waters with 2 to 3 foot seas. A little cooler at the beaches with that east breeze. Plenty of sunshine. Grab the sunscreen there. 1 foot or less surf with winds coming in out of the southeast at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Next weather 7-day forecast. Have the 4th of July in there. We don't have the low rain chances anymore. The dust clears out. We increase those storm chances Tuesday to Wednesday. The temperatures down just a bit into the upper 80s. Now we still have the breeze coming in from the east to southeast, so they do work their way through the area in the morning. They try to push to the interior in the afternoon. So even though we have a 40% rain chance on Friday and Saturday, likely morning showers pushing inland as storms by the afternoon.